So this is a follow-up video to my original video about the Wonders program and how to do the online interactive activities. After a couple people had reached out to me, they helped me figure out how the interactive version works. So I just wanted to post this in case any other moms or dads or guardians, whoever, are lost. So if you click on something like week 1, which should be in your child's to-do list, okay, then you have a thumbnail over here. And I said earlier that I clicked on the interactive and it wasn't very interactive. However, I think what was the problem was my screen was minimized. So if you hit open interactive version, okay, now if you take a look at my screen, it doesn't look very interactive because the toolbar at the bottom is just about hidden. So if you take a look, like, there's actually a toolbar here and you can just barely see it. So anyway, you want to make sure that you are maximizing your window. And when you do so, you get the full-fledged toolbar at the bottom. Okay, so you see you have options like text, that's probably a magnification, I'm not sure, drawing, using a pencil, using a highlighter, Xing things out. So this is wonderful. And you have your different page options right here. So what you'll want to do is, let's say you're doing this activity, or your child's doing this activity, you want to hit the type, and next to whatever the problem is, you want to type the answer. So if I was to write down an answer here, the only problem is for those of us who are a little more obsessive, it's not going to go perfectly on the line. So your answers are just not going to go on the line like that. But once you get your answers in, what's nice is you have a save feature down here. And when you save it, it goes right into your child's work and it has the date on it. So you really don't need a Google Drive. You don't need anything special. Although personally, I would probably recommend having a Google Drive at this time just to kind of keep things organized for your child's schoolwork. But this is a nice feature on the Wonders platform. And if I go back and I X out of this, I can actually go to my work and I can see right here, and this is the worksheet that was just done. And if I click on, this might be the one that I just did, my child's teacher has the ability, I'm sure, to go in and be able to see what was done. This is some work that he did earlier. So again, like, the words are not going to populate perfectly onto the line. But I think the work that we just did is right here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so this is just a follow-up just to let you know that the interactive version probably is the better way to go. And that way you don't have to worry about any PDF features or anything like that. But I know that there were still some people out there that were really confused as to how to get this done. And maybe their student does know how to get it done and just couldn't communicate it effectively. But that's how at least the 3rd grade Wonders is going. And if you can hear in the background, I need to go break up a fight. All right, so thank you. Bye.